But now, because we don't understand the language, as we understand how to talk to them, kuba nzima for us to connect. So language, we need to understand. We need to be able to speak their language to be able to connect with them.
Yeah, because we connect that way, it's a must.
Yeah.
It's okay. So, back to indaba fashion.
Fashion.
Yeah, indaba fashion. For one, I'm happy because we're at a place yokuthi loba kuthiwa event enkulu ongakanani, we are now comfortable ugqoka ama-local brands ethu.
Yes,
right?
it's an in thing ungananzelele.
Yeah.
Yes, ngiyangisa ukuthi ufika ku-event and you're wearing, yes, there is international brands lawo, even Mzansi brands asechaza, but I've noticed isikele sangikhona sesithe we are having more local than ama-international kathesi brands ngokhangela our streetwear. Okay, let me say something without mentioning big shops, and it goes back to I think what killed us back in the day. There were certain international shops ayethengisa the good quality, so even status so something from Ed, I won't say it. Understand?
Yeah.
It would put you in a certain class.
Yeah.
It's like our streetwear yengakabi that bar, yengakabi that quality. Let me remind you of House of Stone.
Yeah.
Actually, House of Stone before Faithway were the first guys to introduce street culture, designer clothing and stuff. Then there was Faithway, but then Faithway yangena uma bigger retail. Then it died out. I don't know what happened to House of Stone. Now, coming back to isikhathi sethu lesi, kathesi we've reached a point where our eyes are open, maybe because of internet. We're having the right quality. Now we know ukuthi ilembu leli ngilithola ngaphi. Kala olithola in those big retails kuphela. So, to answer your question now, I think it's about exposure. Yokuthi now we are exposed. That's why sesilokuthanda into lezi our streetwear. Now we know where to get this stuff. Now we have seen ukuthi out there. Because we had a problem yokuthi, let's say for example, you remember the era of fubu. With the problem ukuthi when it's winter that side and they'll be wearing a fubu. But nxa siphume ku fashion, what do they dispose their old stuff? It comes back to us now. But now sesizenzela, we've got that power. You understand? Mbuza more, please.
Ngibuze more.
Streetwear is like street food, and there was.
Yeah. Streetwear is like street food, bro. Okay, so also, do you feel like ama brands that you now really have to like scale up to not just catering for what culture locally, people are embracing it, but to actually push beyond? Kona lokhu ukuthi someone who's like 100% South African can say, "I mina ngifuna iskipas."
Yeah, it's high time, but let's not have the danger of mass production. I think it kills the art. Because now okuchaza ngama-brand ethu, you feel unique wearing stars, you feel unique wearing Afroholic. And I had a conversation with Smith from Harare, with DJ. He was saying people in Harare are obsessed ngama-brand ako Bulawayo.
Yeah.
Going back to what I said earlier, we don't follow vibes. These are not vibes. This is a culture, you understand? With vibes, it comes and goes. But with culture, it stays. So kathesi ukuthi we've made it a culture. Vele, also kulandela ukuthi suzawala abantu abathi, as long as I'm not wearing this, and I don't feel like I'm wearing the identity yam.
Yeah. And also, do you feel like it's more of a community thing? Because I have realized ukuthi across all brands, it's like abantu siyazana. On a, well, not necessarily on a personal note, but on first name basis, abantu bayazana. Which okay, even if lawe ngingakwazi, but ngakubona town gqoka iskipa sejuluka, already feel like I know you. Loba ngingakwazi ngizokubingelela just because of that thing you understand ukuthi you are with the movement.
Look at how Inguni Nation was built. Kwaqasa kunguChaka. then kwaba labo dingiswayo what. I'm not so much vexed on history and on the naming, but look at how Inguni Nation was started and expanded. So la lokhu waqasa kunjani? You remember we started with the stars. Sasi was the stars. Then with the stars it inspired lots of brands, abo Black Apes, go expand abo Juluka and stuff, and so kunjalo lakho. You understand? I-community nalana it's growing. Eventually it's already growing nationally. Eventually it's gonna get international. So kunjalo lakho. You get to siku community yona le kathesi siku grouping yona le, but we're inspiring and recruiting more and more. I wish I could name all the brands, but I know ukuthi sekhona because there was that stars esaqalisa ngayo, and because there was that faith way esaqalisa ngayo. Layo stars was inspired by somewhere. Understand? So you're inspiring more and more people and the grouping is growing. So kunjalo. Understand? Eventually we reach a point where we don't know each other by name basis but by first name basis, but so this is Bulawayo, this is Zimbabwe, this is Southern Africa. You understand? Like there is Peru brands and there is Italian brands. Eventually it's gonna get there.
Nice. And then another thing, I understand with our local brands and the street culture, kulama events are specifically for the fashion guys.
Yes.
So what do you feel about the idea of having our very own Skies Fashion Week type of a thing with the runway and the models, collaborate with media guys, photographers, videographers, so that because exposure,
flows,
event separate, but we don't document it.
Actually, it's been there. Let's talk about Pichan. Pichan was more like a fashion event. You understand? But now, it was a closed event. I think I remember there was this designer, Tomban. She used to do modeling shows. She used to be a model. Nyamkosha. She used to do shows and all, but I think because there was no collabo, there was no unity, even within the fashion industry. So it was like small event lapana and spaced out. But I'm confident enough if we can do a fashion week, it will blow. Trust me, with proper organization and the spirit we have now. In Zagala, it depends Bulawayo weekend.
For sure. And the other thing in Itanda is not just t-shirts, because there is a guy who Richard Jeans.
Jean.
Chitarana shout out Asazan, but
dope stuff.
Into like it happens one corner, two pieces, kwama, like it's unique and it's a niche. And it's like I also like ukuthi usangabu ugqoke jean yakho edura ku event, but umuntu ozobe egqoke Richard Jeans siyam recognize.
That's what's happening, bra. Yes, no one is going, wow, hey, but if you are local, that blind.
And I also like with Tintos like is custom made and then go off fresh food because
fresh. Those are my khakis, the Snoop Dogg style.
Set the bar high,
bra.
High. So, shout out to Amachita, and of which it just goes to show which there is nothing stopping us to venturing into sneakers, slopes, panty, you name it. So
and do you realize Wuti that's already monetization at Skulumangai? That's money coming in because as long ngile pride yokuthi ngigqoka into yangikhaya ngithenga ngemali. And ngizahlala ngirenew even if it's one design. I noticed design they come seasonal, but you make sure to labo stars abayi 2, you make sure to labo Black Apes abayi 2. And imagine if only 10% of Bulawayo could do that. That's so much revenue, brah. Skangela even the pricing gatesi we sithenga ngeprice yama premium brands.
True.
Which is a good thing. Ngoba gatesi as compromise we're in business.
No, that's dope. I sabonga Putomtala. And I also noticed ukuthi ibrand oyigqokile ibharejeki bajayele ukusitshela phela kwelinye ilizwe next door nasijeki vele zithi jeki
jeki
There's chicks. So I dope. And then there's another one, Phony Studios. Lawo bayenza angathi ngama-jerseys. Nice items, but
and before we forget, I've noticed events lawo sell ama-t-shirt. For example, Afroholic, Gin Fest, sebele merchandise. Private school. So it means the fashion industry to sikhulile mtala. So even beyond fashion, and there's a good friend of mine oqalisa iThemba. iThemba, it's more like uyenza ongama throwbacks, uyenza ongama yabona kuyizitolo lokhana kwemakhaya and stuff, branda in a way landlani. So it's now beyond just t-shirts.
Yeah, for sure. And yazi maningi ama-branding ngabe ngifuna ukuqamba sebaningi abantu. There's another one that I was introduced to. They need bona bayanitha yabona
ukuthunga lokho.
Yes, amazing things. Makusenza sesingafaka
I think what we can do for people, and when this comes out, just list the brands that you know. Ufake kuma comments lapana, just tag the brands you know, because asila skatsonga sokuqamba wonke. It's so good ukuthi so industry khona vele there's so many brands asingeke siwaqambe in one show straight.
Yeah, for sure.
Faka phansi sibe wazi siwathenge lisinike futhi ama-t-shirt mahara.
I think this Singayivala podcast, we're gonna have another conversation more on street culture too, and if future lapho esifuna ukuthi
No, thank you so much. Thank you.
And I also like ukuthi la ngapha emachwaleni sesilesandla as creatives. It's really
it's huge, bruh.
Just a bit of what's happening there.
Imatopo, okay, mind you, is the only registered craft brewery, craft gin brewery, distillery. So we also expanded Sesenza Lama wine, calling it Vino Wines. So Siakula, and we also into festivals. We went also venturing into merchandise. I think we need to show you tango. So, but the idea, and we noticed there was so much onjengo asebengena we industry. If you have something that regulates it's good for us, because as to be honest.
That's true.
That's the whole idea. It's not just a distillery, it's about quality control as well.
Yeah. I know, that's cool. And also, as I've noticed of lately, angazi ngathi bala ama brand names, but I've realized ukuthi even ama churches sebesiba lama designs amahle for their stuff.
Dala ama church
thole kuyivest, but the way yababe layout, you be like, but in t-shirt le ngayigqoka le. Yeah, so that's actually something abantu bechurch ongamelanga lawo belale ngayo. It's okay.
And just to mention enye into lezikolo bra.
Yeah.
Yazi kathesi, okay, mina I'm a former clock student, and there is so much pride in wearing your old school t-shirt. T-shirt in your school. I noticed those CBC, they've been doing it, old Miltonians and stuff.
Yeah.
So if fashion ya cooler, upel ukuthi bese ngayiboni ngelihli lo kuphela.
Yeah, so I think Singayivala put us, and then we'll catch up some more next time.
Asqale kuthi. Cut. Asqale kuthi.